Hey guys, welcome back to GWiz Academy. Alright, in this video we are going to talk about a very important aspect called as user roles and permissions in WordPress. So what exactly I am talking about here? So let's talk about a scenario. Let's say I'm working on a website, okay? And obviously it's not like I'm alone here, right? If I'm creating a blogging website, then I want my team as well to work on this website, because I will have some person to add blog images, I will have some person to do full proofing, I'll have some people to moderate comments, I'll have some person to do SEO for this particular website, right? So if I'm a business, then definitely I want multiple people to work on this website, because everything cannot be done by one person, right? So definitely we will have a team and we will have other people coming in our website. They need to have some access, they need to get the access to this dashboard so that they can work on this particular website. But you might agree with this, but the loophole is we cannot go ahead and share our username and password to every team member, right? So it is a risk to the security of the website. What if some mishappening happens, or someone randomly accidentally deletes some important details about or important data from your website, right? So that shouldn't happen. So to avoid it, we give user roles and permissions, in the sense, if you have a manager, or if you have an editor, or if you have an author, then based on their roles, you can assign them certain permissions on your website. You can just allow or disallow certain aspect of your website so that they don't get full complete access to the website, but some part of the website. So you should be proud of a fact that WordPress by default comes with some user roles and permissions, which you can definitely make use of 90% of the cases. If you need more advanced content restriction aspect, then we have many plugins for that. We can make use of those kind of plugins. But 99% of the cases for general websites, we don't need those kind of paid plugins. We can, by default options, what WordPress gives us with respect to user roles and permissions, that they are more than enough. And in this video, we are going to see what exactly I mean by this. So before I start, I just need to explain you what user roles and permissions does WordPress gives us. See, in WordPress there are user roles such as super admin, admin in the sense administrator, and then we have editor, and then we have author, and then we have contributor, or then we have subscriber. Author or contributor are almost same, I guess. So if you go to here under users, we have this option. Click on this option, and if you click on add new and scroll down, you can select a role. Okay, so contributor, author, editor, administrator, these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there is one more user role like super admin. Super admin comes into picture when we are working with multi-site network of different websites connected via network, but that is a different concept, so you don't have to worry about it. But then we need to start from administrator. Administrator will have a full access. You can simply go ahead here and see WordPress user role and permissions, and if you see here the official documentation, what exactly they say here is administrator will have complete access. First is super admin will have total access to all the features. Administrator will have total access to one site, here to all the site, applicable only for multi-site, and editor will have access to edit and manage posts, even delete post. Author will have options to, they can add new posts or manage new posts, but only their posts, not others. And contributors, what they can do is, I think they can add new posts, but they cannot publish it. And they cannot, obviously, they cannot look into other people blog posts and all those things. Subscriber won't get any access. What exactly the subscriber is, in the sense like if you want any email of my customer, then I get that email from the customer. That's it. And I can send them email marketing mails, or I can send them notifications. For those purpose, we can get the subscribers in the sense they want to consume our content of our website. So what this official documentation says here is, if you go to this link, wordpress.org/support/articles/roles and capabilities, you can simply go here and read about these things. Summary of these roles: super admin is someone who gets all the access, administrator gets all the access to that one particular single site, editor gets access to publish and manage posts of other users as well, in a sense complete site, and authors get access to publish and manage their own post, contributors who can write and manage their own post but cannot publish it. And subscribers, obviously, they cannot manage anything. They can just manage their profile, in the sense profile image, a very basic stuff like change their email address or password, and then that's it, nothing much. So this is the basic summary, but in case if you want to explore it in depth, you can refer to this particular image where you can see exactly what are the features that admin, editor, author, contributor, and subscriber get. So if you see the subscribers list, if you scroll down, he just gets an option to edit his own profile. And if you go to the contributors option, we get 4 options. First is view comments, write their own post, edit their own post, and edit their own profile, right? And for author, they get one more option to upload media images as well. And then media files. So for editor, they get a lot of options: edit and delete, approve comments, delete tags, edit, manage categories, add, remove links, add and delete published posts by any users. So right, so these are the options and rules and capabilities that this particular roles get, like admin, editor, author, contributor, and subscriber. So for reference, you can use this so as to create particular role. So now once we have understood clearly that what exactly these roles are and what are the capabilities that particular roles get, let's go ahead into our dashboard and see how to add a new user. So what I'll do, I'll go to users, and then I'll click on, right now if you see here, I can see how many administrators are there. Under roles, I have just one administrator. So what I can do is I can click on add new. If I want to add my team member, what I can do is I can click on add new, and then I can assign a name. Let's say content writer, and then email, let's say, and then Rakesh Kumar, and then website is optional, you can just leave it. You can generate password, or you can assign a new password here. You can simply click on generate password and then copy this password and send them this username and password. Or what you can do is, if you add the right email address over here, as soon as I add a new, let's say I'll make this person an editor. If I click on add new, what happens is, if you have added right email address, this user will get an email through which he can set his own password. He will get access to this particular website as well. You can simply ask them to check your email. I have added you as a content writer, so go ahead and add or edit or manage the blog posts, right? So that the person will get an email to this particular email address that you have added, and they can set their own password and they can start working. Or else what you can do is, you can manually copy the username and password and share it to them via email or chat or whatever you want. Similarly, what I can do is I can click on edit, and I can simply scroll down and change the role from editor to contributor. If let's say if I want to make him a contributor, I can simply make him contributor and click on update. So if I go back, right now this person is a contributor, not an administrator. Same way I can create new administrators, I can create new editors, I can create new authors, I can create new contributors, right, and change their roles as well. And how to share the username and password? You just need to enter their email address correctly so that they get an email with a password setting link, and they can go ahead and start using this particular functionality, right? So I hope you clearly understood what exactly these roles and permissions are, and what are the capabilities that we get one with different roles, and how to add, edit, or delete. If you want to just simply delete, click on this delete option. So confirm deletion. Perfect. So you have successfully deleted it. I'm getting these options because I'm an administrator. So if I'm an editor or if I'm a contributor, I might not get an option to add or edit users. Adding users or roles is admin feature, right? You can see admin. This is an admin feature. Change roles of others, add or remove users, and all those things. So go ahead, explore this option, make use of it, understand roles and permissions correctly so that you can assign correct roles and permission for a right person, right? Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section and post it in the discussion form. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.